Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Gaurav Gogoi ubalong unongilam kaseng Congress na Assam ubalong ru German jong ka screening committee habaya kren mat kilat pathai khubor ha Congress Bhawan Meghalaya mentaka sngi ka khat nyotre ko banai kelaling kot arajar ar pulai ulaong baga jingwan jong u hanong ba shlong kalong ban yekendu yiki Kyrtong jong kaseng ki ban yekun ha ka election arajar ar pulai bat ru ban pej hakanu ka benta ki don bat ka ei ka baki pat ba ki perkhat na ka benta ka seng bat ru na ka benta ka election shishu hagani ka sngi ka liang jong Gaurav uloong baki Kyrtong jong ka seng ki long ki bala Khreh banyak kun hagani ka election banwan bat ka badang sa menta ka long satang ban up ya ka jingpen bana tarik da ka election commission of India dang hagini ki khindiat banai bala deb na ka liang jong mukul wasnik bat ka kinhon jong u lembat ki MP na Kerala kilawan sa Meghalaya ban yekendo ya ki breu jong ka jilla ki bakin thobru ya ki bamdai ki breu jong ka Congress na ka benta ban yakren halor ka ei ka baga jilla Meghalaya ka don kam benta hakaliang ka roy ka par badru ka ei ka baki khon samla jong ka jilla ki don kam hagani ka sngi na kaliang jong Gogoi ula benrap ru halor ka jinge ka baki breu jong ka jilla Meghalaya ki yekendo khamtam ha ka ba udai nongsong snong ba marjan na asa Gaurav ulaong kumba kibabon na ki Kyrtong ka seng ki day kibatrei ki kam hapo ke imnang ka salang don kibale ki kamrep kamriang pa donru kibala judon ha ka sarkar kibatip shaphang ki ei kibaduna bat kibabiang shushu la pentip ru bana kaliang jong ka Congress kala shong bisar bha ka jing snotho jingmut haswa ban penbena bat pen scam ki Kyrtong jong ka seng
Mr. Vincent Palaji, we are here to meet with the candidates for the upcoming elections and find out what is the position on the ground, what is the strength of the organization, what is the mood of the people, what are the people thinking, and in the days to come, how can AICC support them and support their campaign. And it has been a few hours have already passed, and we are quite optimistic with the response that we have seen. All our candidates are gung-ho and are ready to fight the election. We are just awaiting the announcement of the official dates from the Election Commission and the Meghalaya Congress Committee, Pradesh Congress Committee, who is going to put up a fantastic campaign in the days to come. In the past, you have seen our AICC observer, Mukul Vasnik ji and his team, including MPs from Kerala and others, have been here. They have also been travelling to different parts of Meghalaya, meeting with people from outside the Congress organization, meeting civil society leaders as well, and garnering a lot of information about what Meghalaya needs right now in terms of development, what do the young people of Meghalaya want, and what are some major challenges. And I must say, I myself, I come from the neighboring state of Assam, and I often hear about the challenges that people in Meghalaya are facing. It is highly unfortunate, but right now I have come here as the chairman of the screening committee, and as I said, we will, after this process, we will have a subsequent meeting in which the Congress party will finalize the candidates with the approval of the Honorable President of AICC, Shri Mallikarjun Kharge Sahab, and then the official list of candidates will be announced. So this is part procedural details that I revealed before you. If you have any other questions, if I am in a position to answer them, I'm happy to answer them.
Ula benrap ru da ka ba ong bakani ka long ka kabu ka ba biang tam ki breu ka jilla Meghalaya ban yoi ki Kyrtong bat ki nongmi khmat ki ba thmai Namar ki breu ke Meghalaya kila sakhi ki nongmi kman ki bakinti na ka wei ka seng ka wei pat but day kini ki breu ki bah ka por election ki wan harengkat ki jingkular but kim la pat ban pun urlong ki jingkular ki bakin thobro ya gani ka sarkar ka bamenta ka bamshim lala ban pun urlong hadin ka jingkular ha usnam arajar khat phra but kani ka aila ki breu ka jilla ban perkhat thamai no badru ban aila ki wei pat ki seng ban saindur ya ka jilla.
I think this is a great opportunity for the people of Meghalaya to see new candidates. People of Meghalaya in the past have seen many political leaders jumping from one party to another party, and then and at the time of elections, many of these same people come with a lot of promises, and they fail to live up to their promises, including the current government has failed to live up to many of its promises. There were a lot of expectations from this government when it formed in 2018. They have failed in all the major expectations. So I think it gives people an opportunity that instead of being frustrated by looking at the same set of faces, they are looking at new people with a new set of ideas, a new set of experiences, a new outlook. And I think it brings a lot of necessary energy, positive energy and optimism to our campaign.